Hello. Say thank you, Kerstin, for my ladder. Thank you. Oh, here she's Casper. She's got our ladder. Ugh, I can't talk. Just got our ladder through from Kerstin, who managed to get one for me and posted it to me, and it arrived today. Thank you, Kerstin. As you can see, she's straight on it. Absolutely loves it. She's just walking up and down the ladder at the moment. Casper. Sis. Come on then. Come on then. She's a good girl. Up and down your ladder. There's Casper's ladder. Absolutely brilliant. Love it. And Casper loves it too, don't you? Monkey. Monkey. Good girl.